famous last words, right? Here's the instructions. I'm just gonna set those aside. But here we have the Otter box itself, and this comes in 3 pieces. There's kind of a back case here, there's a nice front cover, and there's also a screen protector with this particular device. Now I'll have to make sure I clean off the screen here before I put it all together, but just for demo purposes, let's open this up and put it on the iPad. Okay, here we go. Let's try this again. So you peel off the rubber backing on the back of this case. Comes off like so. And then I think we have the final casing here, which is just clipped on. The final casing here is clipped on to the back. We gotta take off these clips right here. There's arrows indicating where the clips release. There we go. There are clips on the top and the bottom. Oh my. This is why people edit these things out. Jeez, I don't want to break it. That would make me sad. Good thing of doing this behind a camera and not live. There we go. There we go. So now I have all 4 pieces here, the back cover, the stand, and the screen protector. I want to go ahead, I'm going to get some cleaning stuff, clean up this iPad right here, get all my fingerprints off of it, and then assemble this guy.